the front of the gate, man. You can't walk over here. So I can continue recording. Or you want me to walk around over there? I don't know where you at. You know where I'm at. Let me go over here one time. I got the shirt ready for you, right here. Outside the gate on the street. Man, you ain't trying to pay the 20 to get in or what? You gonna have to wait till somebody leak and then I'll walk over there. Other than that, everybody gonna be mad if I come over there and bring you the shirt while somebody racing. They gonna wish they seen the pad. We got Lindell in the building. Yeah, they gonna be, man, go back and record the races, bro. You can get his back. Give it back over there, give it back to her. They ain't coming. What's up with it, Zach? Right side with the wind. That was Danny Duckworth's son. He's trying to get ready for Perico. Roddy with his son. They gonna have the son to son versus battle. Motor to motor. What time the event start? How much I missed? You ain't missed nothing. They just testing and toning right now. I think they stopped testing and toning around 2:30. I don't even know what time it is. Oh damn, it's 4. I seen you up there. I seen you up there. All I was thinking is make sure he be watching them power lines. What's up with it, man?
My sweater, bro?
I got the sweater, I got 2X left.
I told you to send me one.
Oh, then I probably, oh yeah, well that was you. I got it in the car, I think.
You want me to go ahead and pay for it or what?
I need to make sure it's in the car. Let me make sure, because I probably done messed up, man.
I told him, I even like private message him and said, hey.
Man, what size was you?
You said you had a 1X.
Damn. What happened to that one?
Yeah, oh man, I was gonna promote your shit.
God, man, I gotta think. You can't wear 2X. I got 2X in there for
try it
sure.
on if it fits.
Alright, let's try the 2X. I got 3 of them left for sure.
Okay, don't sell one of them.
Alright, they in the trunk. Ain't nobody even seeing them right now. Damn, he got it fat. He got it burning fat, y'all. I'm gonna order some more. I gotta order some more hoodies. Damn.
Hey, get some red ones, bro.
I knew I was probably messing up, man. I was thinking in my mind I done messed up.
Stay off that weed, my nigga.
Man, I already quit smoking. I'm on my 3rd week.
Do you have my sack?
Yeah, I did bring. Yep, I kept that in the pocket.
Hey, he be full of that.
Look out, man. What's going on, man?
What's up, baby?
Already, I'm having a good time. Boom. Yeah, we got a with that work, man. Huh? Hold up. Okay, excuse. What happened? Hell no, I'm scared to get in that motherfucker. Ain't no room. How you doing today? Trying to stay out the way. Trying to stay out the way. Make some people happy and laugh and smile. Enjoy life and smile every day. That's what I'm trying to do.
You subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Yeah, you subscribe. I'm trying to get it, man. Man, Brian out here, he gonna make the test pass or what? I ain't seen him yet.
He ain't gonna make a test.
I couldn't even find out where he parked at.
He over there.
Let me go see.
When you come in.
Oh shit, Yello Belly getting a little grip, y'all.
We had XRBs.
I just had my shoe stuck for a second, man. Yeah, I got 2X for you.
2X.
Yeah, that's what I got left. That's all I got left, is 2X. A little bit. What you wanted, the 1X?
Sir?
I got the 2X. I got the shirt.
Give me one of those.
Man, I done spent a lot on this.
How much?
I had to buy it first and pay $100. So I got 200 in it.
Lord, how much?
This a Lord.
How much?
I paid 200.
I need more than Lord.
That's what I wouldn't even try to. I don't even feel like people would buy that. Only me. You would?
When you working shit that I work in, you gotta have shit.
Okay, well, I ain't know. I might need to start promoting them too. Start selling these lookout racing jumpsuits or coveralls. We gonna do some. Hey man, I'm trying to build this truck, man. I'm trying to build this truck. Uh-oh, the view is going up. Look out. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Sharing is caring and it's also free.